Folks, if you have not watched my other videos, please watch them before watching this. Otherwise, you will not be with me when I talk. I am the eternal. I am divine. I am beyond the human mind. I am Vak, the word, divine energy behind all the words. I am the white light. I am the golden light. I am the red light. The golden light is inside you as a life principle. It is the joy. It is a love. And the white light is inside you as the pure I. And the red light is underlying your human body, the whole physical universe. Today I'm going to restore the joy and the happiness and love which you deserve. I am not a description in a human mind. I will not be bound by the prescription and the description in your religious textbooks. I am the energy behind everything. Have you ever noticed a newborn child, just 1 day old or 2 days old? Her senses have not started operating. The child will close his or her eyes and smile eternally with the eternal joy. Beautiful smile. Some of you describe that as the child talking to the divine. It was not talking to the child was not talking to the divine. It was the divine. The pure I consciousness, which is the white light from the sea of white light, was merged totally with that golden light, where the love, joy, and happiness is. If you recollect one of my experiences in part 1, you will notice the extreme joy that I experienced when the golden light was flooding my whole body. It is that golden light is flooding that child, and that pure I consciousness is one with that divine golden light. And that's why the child is smiling with so much joy. And afterwards, when the senses start operating, the 5 senses transformed the divine energy as this world to you. It should be obvious to you, though currently you have forgotten. For example, suppose instead of your eyes, the normal eyes, you had the microscope as your eyes. You will not see your father, mother, child, or the planets or the mountain as they are right now. You will see the molecules moving around, nothing but the molecules with some energy. That should tell you that the five senses you have in your body are transforming something unknown as the figures that you see in the normal life. There is no problem as such, but you have got a lot of ideas, lot of thoughts. You were told that you are so and so, you are a man or a woman, you are the son or the daughter of somebody, you belong to a religion, you belong to a caste, you belong to a country, you belong to a race. All the divisions that human mind has. You bought them all, you believed in them strongly. You had sad events in your life, some happy events, and all these experiences are in your mind. You have enemies, you have friends, all these things are in your mind. The divine, pure I consciousness, which was one with the golden light, enjoying the pure joy and happiness, once when you were a child, has descended to your mind and associated itself with all your experiences. It bought the idea that you are a woman or a man. It gets bonded to your idea that you belong to this religion or that religion, this country or that country, this race or that race, and so on and so on. All your events in your life, sad as well as happy events, were strongly bonded to the pure I consciousness. That's what you are right now. That's why you are not experiencing the joy and love and happiness once you were. That's because the pure I consciousness has left the golden light, the divine golden light which is inside you as a life principle. And it has descended to the level of your mind, and you are feeling misery. Some of the priests, gurus, sadhus have told you that you have to detach yourself from the events in your life. You tried that. You read scriptures. You heard gurus, priests preaching you that you are divine. You have to detach yourself from the day-to-day events. You are asked to chant mantra. You are asked to worship a statue, then you are told that you will get the happiness, and you didn't have that happiness so far. You were told by some priests that you worship the wrong God, that's why you are miserable. You are unhappy. The God is punishing you for your mistake, etc., etc. All those things are not true. And you were unable to detach yourself from all the ideas in your mind. It looks like you are forever bonded to your experiences in the human life, in your human life, and nothing is going to break that bondage between the normal day-to-day life events and information and ideas you have heard from your friends, priests, gurus, and so on, and the pure I-ness. I am going to break that bondage. I am divine. I am the divine walk, the word. I am the energy behind all the words. I can break that bondage once for all, if you permit me. When that happens, your pure I-ness will once again go back to the pure joy, the golden light. And when you deal with your day-to-day events in human life, it will descend your pure I consciousness, the white light, will descend to your mind, but it will not be bonded to the events that are taking place in your normal human life. You will be again totally free, free of all the travails, all the suffering, all the unhappiness of the normal human life. You'll still be a father, mother, son, daughter, but you will have ascended, gone beyond all these ideas. You will not be bonded to any religion. You will not be bonded to any country. You will not be bonded to any race. You will not be bonded to the physical differences like a woman or a man and so on. You will regain and your real status as the pure white light. Your white light, your ray of white light, you will be one with that divine golden light. And that is what Jesus Christ told, that I am one with life principle. I am the life. You will once again say that boldly within yourself, strongly, without any hesitation. You will realize that. You will say that to yourself. You will live the normal life, but you will still be above that life. You will not be bonded to the events in your life. You would have realized the eternal happiness and joy inside you. That is how I will bring joy and happiness back to all of you. These are not just words. This is the energy behind the words. As I said, I am eternal. I am Vak. I am all the gods beyond your description, beyond the human mind. I can bring about that change in you. Be happy, folks. Be joyful.